y'all, what is up? It's me, Haley, here. I'm recording on a different camera today. Hopefully I can upload this footage to YouTube, because I've never transferred files from a micro SD card before from a mini camera. What else I can show you? Oh yeah. I'm going to show you my new tripod. Let me show you the box real quick. Hopefully the audio is good, because this is my first time filming with this camera. This is the VICTIV Tripod. I'm just in my dad's room right now, because both of my rooms are a mess. Okay, and I'll show you how to set it up too. So this is the main base. To adjust the tripod, you gotta loosen this a little bit so you can adjust it all the way like that. Then you gotta tighten it. Hope y'all can see this good. Am I recording? Yep. And so that's the main base. You got more parts in here. This is the flexible gooseneck. See, it can move and stuff. Get that straight. It's kind of hard to move. It's kind of stiff. So you put that, you'll screw that into here. Try not to cross thread it. That wouldn't be good. Okay. And now, let me adjust this thing to full height and sit it on the floor for y'all. Oh crap, this thing goes tall! There we go, lock that. Holy crap, this thing is tall! I didn't realize how tall this thing would get. Then you got your phone mount here. Make sure I'm still recording. Yep. And you got this here, and you'll tighten this. Let me tighten the gooseneck. You put your phone mount on here, and to adjust it to fit your phone size, you just pull this out. Okay, so you put that on there, then you'll just tighten the screw with this knob here. Okay, and now, I can't believe how tall this tripod goes. It's insane. This camera probably doesn't do it justice. And of course it comes with this. It's a Bluetooth remote. You got for iOS, that's iPhones, that's iPhones. And then you got for Androids down here. You can click it. You can sync this to your Bluetooth on your phone. And when you want to take a picture, you click this and it takes a picture on your phone. Okay, let me get my phone and show you what it looks like. Because this tripod, let me move back a little. Look how tall it is. It's insanely tall. Let me get my phone. Yeah, there's my phone. So to adjust it, you just adjust this out, and then there you go. And you can adjust the gooseneck. You can adjust this to point down like that, if you want. Yeah, stuff like that. Let me adjust this a little bit. There we go. Let me tighten this knob down. Well, that's loosening. There we go. And holy crap! And my phone just dinged. And that is how tall this tripod goes, I think. I don't know really how tall it goes. Yeah, there we go. That's maximum height. I'm 5'7", and that's like, I don't know, 5 foot, I don't know. Here's me in the mirror. There's the thing. I'm 5'7", and this thing is about maybe 5'7.5". I don't know, but it's pretty tall. And I'm showing you how to set it up because, well, it's a new tripod that I just got from Amazon, and like it. I needed a more bigger tripod, and also if you want to do it into a selfie stick mode, you just take off the gooseneck, and there you go. Alright, y'all, that'll conclude today's video. If you all enjoyed, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more. Peace!